Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a note on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the browse option down below in the left side corner and click on the plus icon. Then you should tap on create new box note. It's being loaded, so in a few seconds you will be able to create your new note. It might take a few seconds.